Hi everyone, in this video we will see indicator light motion, using color change of individual components, in motion study, using SolidWORKS 2017. Let's start. Here, I have a basic car body model. I have extruded a small strip of surface, from the headlight, and saved it as a separate component. Further, I have splitted that strip into multiple parts, and assembled each individual part into the assembly. Let's go to motion study. Firstly, place a time key for each individual strip component. For now, place it at 2 seconds. We will drag it later. Now, keeping the time bar at 2 seconds. Change the appearance of strip component. We will select red color. Also, select all the remaining strip components for changing the appearance. We see that entire strip turns red in 2 seconds. Drag the time bar to 14 seconds. Copy the initial time key properties, and paste it at 14 seconds. The initial time has no color appearance property. Thus, the strip will turn to red in 2 seconds, and go back to original appearance in next 12 seconds. Now, we will adjust the red color time key position, by dragging individual key. The new position depends upon when we like to see that individual strip component turning red. For each strip component, it gradually starts turning red from the first defined key, up to the red color key. And then gradually turns back to normal up till third defined key. The order is slightly distorted, due to the defined names of strip component. Let's calculate the animation. Let's check the animation, at high playback speed. There is a small error in defining the strip name, between strip 12 and strip 13. I will adjust the time keys accordingly. We see a uniform motion of changing colors. Let's check the motion, by changing the position of third key point, of each individual strip. We see different pattern speed of red color. Hope this video was interesting. Thank you.